A year has passed since my 2023 video message marking the International Day Against Nuclear Tests. On most days of the year, the daily world news has been dramatic, even disturbing. So it's easy to overlook what's not been in the news in the past year, news of any nuclear weapons test. If you're old enough to do so, think back to 1964, 1974, even 1984. In each of those years and in all the years between them, there was on average one nuclear test per week. Think of that, one nuclear test every week. The devastating human and environmental impacts were felt by communities living near the test sites and beyond. Finally, in 1996, the world said stop. A treaty was signed to end those tests once and for all, the Comprehensive Nuclear Test Ban Treaty. What a success it's been. Since the year 2000, there have been only 6 nuclear tests, all by North Korea. If a nuclear weapon is tested now, the world knows fast. Our amazing CTBTO technology will detect any nuclear test anywhere on Earth almost instantly. In 2009, the UN General Assembly proclaimed 29 August as the International Day Against Nuclear Tests. Why that day? Because on 29 August 1991, the former Soviet Union Semipalatinsk nuclear weapons testing site in today's Kazakhstan was officially shut down. That one site alone saw 456 nuclear tests between 1949 and 1989. Since its inception in 1996 through to today, the impact of the Comprehensive Nuclear Test Ban Treaty has continued to grow. In this past year, more countries have taken steps to sign or ratify the treaty. Of the 196 states that could sign, 187 have now signed it. Global solidarity against any such testing is getting stronger and stronger. Any country contemplating a nuclear test can be sure of one thing, that the cost to its credibility and standing if it tests a nuclear weapon is rising. All in all, another year has passed without a single nuclear test. Now that's excellent news.